I'm Will Coppins, and welcome to another episode of Washington County Workforce Connect. Today's an exciting episode. I'm here with Dr. Corken, the Medical Director of Delta Health System, formerly known as Delta Regional Medical Center. Dr. Corken, how are you doing today?
Doing great. Thank you for this opportunity.
Wonderful to have you here. So tell us a little bit about what's going on at the new facility.
Well, you just heard of the name change. That's an important thing, and it's a big part of our strategic plan to grow the facility and provide better service, more complete service to all the citizens of the Delta. As it stands, many people are transferred out of the Delta for lack of a specialist or for some other reason, and the only way we're going to be able to grow and attract the kind of talent we need to attract is by working cooperatively with every other hospital in our region. So that's what we mean by Delta Health System.
Now, Bob, what that sounds like is a great efficiency, is because you're going to be streamlining communication between the hospitals and between the facilities.
That is correct, and not only communication but other ancillary services. There's a big opportunity there to cooperate with the business office function. We can mutually cooperate to recruit and retain subspecialists that we currently do not have. And then there's a big educational piece too. We just started a brand new family medicine residency, which we are very excited about. We just had the first class start this fall, so there will be 8 residents each year for 3 years. So that's a total of 24 student doctors, interns, and then residents that will be training in the facilities. It's a tremendous opportunity for education here.
You talked about expanding. With that becomes the need for career opportunities. So how has that been affected with this expansion of the Delta Health System?
It will create many opportunities for more jobs. If you're looking at it from the standpoint of your listeners who are looking for opportunities, there is just no end of opportunity. Now, everyone knows and is familiar with the nursing shortage. It's really hit crisis proportions. We are always looking for registered nurses, RNs. You know, we have 2 nursing schools in the local area. We get recruits from every year, and we're so grateful for that and for those institutions. We always need respiratory therapists. We need pharmacists. We need pharmacy technicians. There are all kinds of other opportunities you would not normally think of, both in the IT world. There's a need for knowledgeable IT people. There are various subspecialties technician-wise, such as radiology, ultrasound, CT techs, MRI techs. We have some excellent techs at our facility, but there's going to be the need for more, because honestly, if we're able to provide the service in the Delta and all the patients who leave here now no longer leave, necessarily there will be more work to do here and we'll need more help.
So that's quite amazing. And,
it is.
And not only with the ecosystem of, as you said, everybody knows of doctors and nurses, but everything from medical coding, administrative, janitorial services, food services. Y'all have a wonderful restaurant there at the Greenville facility.
That's right.
There is probably not one type of career sector that y'all do not employ.
That is correct. And for your listeners, you normally think of a hospital as a place where you see doctors and nurses. But you really need to open your mind up and realize any area that you're interested in as a potential employee, there is going to be a need for that service in our facilities.
Awesome. Now, and with some of the positions that you mentioned, I know that our local CAP Center, which is our medical training or our training arm for MDCC, offers a lot of those classes, like the medical coding, the pharmacy tech, and a lot of those classes as well. And then we also, the Washington County Economic Alliance, we have scholarships to help, just let the viewers know, to help pay for that. Could you go a little bit about if somebody does want to apply, where's the best way though to find out the jobs that are available, and how would they apply?
Sure. There's an online portal. It's deltaregional.com. You can see the job postings there. You simply fill out the form online, hit send, and your application is reviewed and goes on from there.
But you know what it sounds like is also that maybe we need to have you come back on a future show and talk about some of the other services that DRMC offers.
Would love to, and I really appreciate this opportunity.
Dr. Corken, thank you so much for coming.
Absolutely.
Until next time, thank y'all so much.